Hey everyone, and welcome to something a little different today. We're going to skip the theory and jump straight into a real workout. For your mouth, let's get right to it.
You heard me right. No grammar. We are not going to be breaking down any rules or staring at complicated charts. Nope, not today. Today is all about building that muscle memory. It's about getting those words to just flow without you having to think about it. This is pure, active practice. So what do you say? Are you ready to train your mouth to speak automatically? Good. Let's get into the rules of this workout.
Okay, the rules are super simple, but you gotta stick to them. Rule 1, just repeat. That's your only job. Hear the words, say the words. Rule 2, no thinking. Seriously, don't analyze anything, just let it come out. And rule 3, no translation. For this whole
So, with those rules in our minds, the workout officially begins now. Let's get warmed up and ready for our first big round.
All right, here we go. Round 1 is all about commands and requests. We're going to start with some strong, direct commands, and then we'll switch gears and soften the tone for some polite requests. Your job? Just listen and repeat. Ready?
Let's do this. Repeat after me. Stand up. Sit down. Come here. Go there. Listen carefully. Look at me. Open the book. Close the door.
Keep that strong, clear tone. Let's go. Speak clearly. Stop talking. Start now. Finish this. Do your work. Clean the table. Wash your hands. Bring water. Okay, now we're going to change the tone. Feel how it gets a little softer, a little more polite. Please sit down. Please help me. Please wait. Please listen. Please open the door. Please give me water. Please tell me. Please explain. Awesome. Let's keep that same encouraging vibe going. Please speak slowly. Please repeat. Please try again. Please don't rush. Please stay here. Please join us. Please focus. Please answer. You're doing great. Let's move right into round 2, advice and directions. Here, we're shifting from telling people what to do to giving them some helpful suggestions and, some clear, easy-to-follow instructions. Okay, let's start with a really friendly, warm tone for this advice. Ready? Take rest. Eat healthy. Drink water. Exercise daily. Study regularly. Practice English. Think positive. Stay calm. And this one is probably the most important piece of advice you'll ever get. So really say it. Don't give up. Let's keep that momentum. Keep that positive energy flowing, work hard, stay focused, keep learning, be confident, respect others, help people, be kind, keep smiling. All right, new tone. Switch to a clear, instructive voice. Imagine you're helping someone who's lost. Go straight. Turn left. Turn right. Stop here. Walk ahead. Come back. Go upstairs. Go downstairs. Let's keep it really sharp and precise. Cross the road. Follow the road. Enter here. Exit there. Park here. Drive slowly. Check the map. Turn around. You are absolutely crushing this. Time for our final round, invitations and warnings. We're going to contrast a really warm, welcoming tone with a firm, serious one. Let's jump in. Okay, let's sound as welcoming as possible. Come in, have a seat, join us, come with me. Let's go, let's eat, let's talk, let's start. Keep that friendly energy way up. Have some tea. Come along. Stay with us. Join now. Learn with us. Talk with me. Eat with us. Come soon.
And now, a total 180 on the tone. We need to be firm, clear, serious, don't touch, don't run, don't